Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If we're new to each other, my name is Jamie, and today I'd like to talk about a couple things. One of them being this massage gun here from Everyfun, but as well as Lifetime Digital, which is an all-new streaming service. So if you've lived in the year 2020, you'll likely know that the world has gone virtual, and with or without this vaccine, this seems to be the way of the future. So I just wanted to do a follow-up video to my Apple Fitness Plus, as well as introduce a new live streaming platform called Lifetime Digital, as well as going over this massage gun, which makes a great way to recover from your virtual workouts or any workouts in general. So if you're ready, let's get started. Links to Lifetime Digital are right in the description section down below and starts at only $15 a month, and it comes with Apple Fitness Plus included in the membership, so you won't need to choose between the two. And if you're unfamiliar with Lifetime Fitness, it's a health club chain with luxury amenities and facilities that unfortunately we're forced to adapt like many other businesses around us. You'll be able to get a live class experience with hundreds to choose from weekly, as well as some pre-recorded ones that you could do at any time. You'll find classes from cycle, yoga, studio, and even family classes that are all structured around Lifetime's signature formats that I honestly love, and I even teach some of them myself. With your Lifetime Digital subscription, you'll also find offers for virtual personal training, as well as nutrition and lifestyle coaching from some of the top fitness professionals in the US. I still love Apple Fitness Plus because it syncs to my watch so seamlessly, and I've grown really attached to some of the instructors. But with Lifetime Digital, the instructor experience seems just and feels so much more authentic, less scripted, and even a little less cheesy. Be sure to use my links down below in the description section to try out Lifetime Digital and Apple Fitness Plus for free, regardless of which Apple Watch series you actually have. And if you are someone who suffers from delayed muscle soreness, regardless of how you work out, you have to check out our product sponsor of this video, Everyfun, who sent over this massage gun here in the beginning of 2021 that I've been using ever since to stay committed to my fitness goals, so I no longer have that excuse of being too sore. I was always such a skeptic of massage guns, primarily because of their price, but this one here from Everyfun is super affordable, and it's great for muscle stiffness, muscle soreness, also good for warming up, and by helping it spread lactic acid throughout your body, you're always ready to go because it helps reduce the chance of inflammation, muscle soreness, tightness, all of those things. And if faster recovery is your goal, then you have to check this out. It has a 20-hour battery life, 5 ball heads, it's super quiet at only 45 decibels at its highest peak. Because of its 70-watt brushless motor, you're able to get 3,200 hits per minute with 5 different adjustable speeds. And it also comes with a 15-month warranty and lifelong customer support. And your Everyfun massage gun will come with these 5 ball heads, and it's really all a matter of preference, as well as this carrying case if you do want to take it with you to the gym, on the go type of style situation. We'll just walk through the gun itself real quickly. You'll have the on and off button here, as well as the indicator for the battery on the left. So that's the indicator of the battery. Again, 20-hour battery. Charger is included, it's in your case, as well as 5 different settings here. So this is the lower setting, and if you want to progress a little higher, to me the first setting is plenty. I did go higher, and it's a little much, but it's a cool experience. I would try it out at least once. But to go a little higher, you just click it once, twice, 3 times, boom, and that is its highest peak. So as you can see, not very loud whatsoever. And to shut it off, you just press and hold, and it just comes to a stop. I really do hope you consider using some of the links down below in the description section to check out some of this fitness tech, because it really goes to support me and it goes to support the channel. Speaking of which, if you made it all the way to the end of this video, I appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing down below, hitting the like button, as well as commenting. The comment section has been a lot livelier lately, and I really enjoy conversing with each and every one of you, either on here or on social media. But that's it for this one, guys. Until next time, see ya.